Christmas time, do you find yourself buying maybe just a bit more fruit than you intended? You've got all these good intentions about, oh, I'm going to eat this, I'm going to eat that. And then the fruit in your bowl starts to look a little bit sad and you think, oh no, what am I going to do with it? A good idea is just to stew it up. Just stew it up in in a pan with a little bit of water. These were plums. I thought I was going to do something with them, never got around to it. So I just popped them in a pan with a little bit of orange juice and some zest, and then just cooked them up for about 10 minutes till nice and soft, and then I blitzed it into a puree. Now this is really good for freezing. You could put it into little yogurt pots if you want. Got little yogurt pots, you want to use them up. I'm always a bit of a believer in reusing before recycling. So it just makes a nice little sized portion. Or you can just leave it in the fridge for a few days, and it's really nice in your porridge. Just stir it through, and it's then get that fruit in there as well. And plums take on a lovely things like orange and star anise and cinnamon, so you can add other flavours to it, and it just makes a really nice sauce. Or you can add it to some cream and just make some flavoured cream. But to be honest, I could just quite happily, if you warm that up, it's like having a warm smoothie. So have a think about what fruit you have, and just be mindful of using it up, and maybe just stewing it up and making it into a smoothie, or into a sauce or something like that. Or in your porridge, it's really nice. Just have that. You could make like a smoothie bowl, have it warm, and then put some nuts and seeds in there. Really nice little thing to do. Oranges as well, lemons. I tend to find if I'm using a whole lemon, I tend to use the outside, but it's still fine on the inside. You can definitely use it. So don't forget, don't waste these. Actually, all the insides of these lemons, what I tend to do is, if I'm making lemon meringue or whatever, is once you've used all the lemon, you put it into a jug, put some hot water on and a little bit of sugar, and then let it steep for a bit, and then strain it, and then you've got really nice still lemonade. You can use it as lemonade. You can use it to add to some soda water or some lemonade, or you can put it in tonic and add your liqueur of choice. Just be mindful that just because the skin is a lot of the flavours in the skin, so don't waste it. Chilies, lots of chilies. When you buy a pack of chilies, maybe you only need one or two. You can put these in the freezer and just get them out when you need them. These I've grown, and they came off the plant a few weeks back, but they're starting to dry now, and I'm just kind of letting them naturally dry. So it'd be really nice. And you can add that to some oil, and then just make a little bit of chili oil. So that's quite nice.